Everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani, and today I want to share with you the missing numbers. So in numerology, we look into numbers from 1 to 9, and if you check your date of birth, I'm sure you are going to find that some numbers are missing from 1 to 9. You may have few numbers and few are missing. So when you are missing few numbers, each number is an element, planetary influence, and also impacts one of your life's area. Now what do? So after this video, I want you to create your numeroscope and tell me which numbers are missing. Were you able to find the solution? Now, before I tell you the solution, just remember, even when you go visit a doctor gives you the prescribed medication with the instructions that how often to take the medication, what dosage, and what time to take. Take it with food, and when you take, what are the side effects. So the numbers, when you do the solutions or the remedies, you have to be careful. You might have some side effects. And also remember that as a parent, when your child asks for few things, you sometimes don't give them what they ask. So the divine might have purposely not given you few of those numbers in your life, knowingly that it's not going to be good for you. Or also, when you insist for few things in your life, it may not be good enough for you, beneficial for you. You might be allergic to it. It's like your house has enough dry fruits and nuts, but you're allergic to nuts. You cannot eat. So you may try to bring those elements in your life, but you might be allergic. Your other numbers might react other way. And one thing I have noticed from my practice of many years, that if a number is missing, it is here for you in this life to teach you something. That experience you have to learn. The sooner you will learn and embrace that problem in your life, it will disappear. So let's begin. So on this screen, you will notice that's the LoShu Grid and the magic square. Now let's begin with number 1. So number 1 represents element sun. Sun gives you confidence, the ability to speak clearly, demand your rights, and the clarity on the career path. Now just because you don't have one doesn't mean you won't have a career, but it says that you will have to struggle to find a career that will fulfill you, to succeed in life. Or you may have a career, but you might be too selfish and independent. You are not considerate. So you have to be careful about that. Now number 1 represents sun and the direction north. So if you want to fulfill its missing element, what you got to do is check your north. What have you kept there? It relates to water. So what you can do to bring its element is keep a fountain. You can keep an aquarium with a golden fish in it as well, or you can keep even a table fountain. The other thing you can do, the color is blue. See what you have kept in that direction. North with the career, what you can do is also, it relates to sun. So start bringing the colors of the sun in your life. Orange and gold tones, wear those particularly on Sunday, that's the day. Now number 2 relates to moon. And like number 1 relates to the father figure, if you are missing number 1, particularly those who are born from the age 2000 and onwards, they have number 1 missing. So they will have, I would say, lack of self-confidence, or they'll not be that confident. So if you want to harness the potential of number 1, respect your father. Number 1 represents father, like number 2 represents moon and mother energy. If number 2 is not in your life, it also relates to relationship. Your marriage might get delayed, or even if you get married, I'll say there'll be strained relationships. Compatibility will not be as good. So what you can do is respect your mother. And also number 2 relates to southwest. Check what have you kept in that direction. It also relates to crystals. So you can wear a crystal bracelet, or you can wear a crystal pendant, or keep few crystals in a pouch in your purse. That will do as well. So each direction is related to the planet and the area it impacts. Number 3 relates to Jupiter, the planet of wealth, creativity, social connections, support, and your liquid cash. What can you do if 3 is missing? So you will be less on the creative side. You will have struggled to meet day-to-day needs, or you will be usually strained for cash or the liquidity, the needs for the day-to-day, or you will not have enough support from your mentors. So make someone your mentor, and you do not have to go preaching about or talking about. You can be your own mentor the minute you sit in meditation, and the longer you do meditation, or for the long periods of time, even if you do for 30 seconds, the sooner you connect with your inner divine guide, you will realize that you're getting and harnessing the energies of number 3, your mentor, your guru. Color is yellow. What you can do is, Thursday is the day, number 3 is missing, the direction is east, and color is green as well again, so element is wood. Check what do you have in your east direction. You can keep a bamboo plant with the 3 stems in the east direction. Make sure you're watering it as well. Now, this will bring the element in your life. You can also use a wooden pen. That would help you as well, or wooden beads. Now, number 4 is the direction of southeast. Number 4 gives you planning, organizational skills, stability and reliability. What you speak, what you do in your life, and also relates to wealth. So check in your southeast, what do you have? Again, its element is green and wooden as well. So check what you have. You can bring green element by keeping also a green painting or a scenery, natural scenic view in it, no water though, and put on either the east and southeast. This will suddenly bring in you the impact of number 3 and 4 in your life that you were missing in your date of birth. But as I said, these are elements. It will take time for it to appear in your life. Now, number 5 relates to communication, job and business, relates to planet Mercury. This planet loves communication and traveling, and if you don't have, then you will find hard to communicate. As for your own rights, business and job, you will face some of the problems. So check the center of your home. What is there? If you're missing number 5, chances are there is some problem going on in the center of your home as well. What you can do, you can put a crystal chandelier. Again, it's related to earth element. You can use some crystals or put a crystal chandelier in the center of your home. Yellow bulb, light bulb you can use, or just carry a few crystals in a silk pouch in your purse, or wear I would say bracelet or crystal pendant. Crystal bracelet would be good as well. Missing few numbers, don't go doing solutions for all. Only the solutions for those element which you have seen the lack in your life. Our bodies need vitamin A, B, C, D, E also. But if the doctor tells you are low on vitamin D, then only you do remedy for vitamin D, not for other vitamins. Same way, though you may have all these numbers missing, but only do the solution for the number whose impact you have seen in your life. Now, hope you enjoyed this episode. Do give me a share and a like as well. And if there is a comment, if you have a question, please give me a comment. I will try my best to respond to you all. And I want to thank you so much for the love and support and appreciation that you have given to my channel. For next episode, stay tuned.